What up, everybody? Let's talk about the trade that I took today. Today, I'll say it's a break-even day for me, even though it seemed like that I make a little bit of money today, $67. Basically, I have taken two trade today, and the first trade here is a small win, and then the gold trade that I took is a break-even trade, and then I missed a very fantastic trade. Let's talk about the trade idea that I took and the reason why I took those trade, right? Let's talk about Bitcoin first, right? And I would not trade Bitcoin on my funding purpose account because the commission is pretty high as well and the leverage is not that great. So I mainly will focus on, I would say, gold, oil, and other asset classes as well. But long story short, let's talk about the trade that I took today. And the trade I took is pretty simple. I took a short here. I took a short here, basically aiming for 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio, and then you can see that the price basically reached my target. And the whole reason for this trade is we have we can see here we have a wedge top, right? We have a wedge top, double top as well, and then we have a strong bear bar breaking below break and close below the low of the price. I would say 20-30 bar, and then I just enter my short position here, put my stop here, aiming for 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. You can see that I basically that's the whole trade idea, right? That's the reason why I took on Bitcoin. But you can see the problem is it's $3 commission and my profit is only $30, so almost 10% of my profit. So it's not a good deal for me. So probably I will not trade Bitcoin anymore on my fund that account. And the second trade that I took, basically, let's talk about the trade that I missed, right? So, um, obviously here we are in a bear trend. You can see in a bear trend. And then price basically here, I think is a very, very good idea to take a buy here above this bull bar, the start of a bull trend, strongly breaking above the bear trend line as well. Very strong bull bar, and then yeah, looking for a measure move up, 60% chance measure move up. And at that time, I wasn't at my home and I cannot execute the trade on my computer, but when I look at my mobile phone, I saw that opportunity, but I didn't enter on my mobile phone because I do not want to be like lack of control, or I do not want to be trading um in basically in the street, or trading in the toilet, or trading in the train, right? I want to have a consistent result, so I have to trade from my home, right? So that's the whole trade idea. That's the whole idea behind it. Why I didn't take the trade, even though it seemed very simple. Just a very strong big bull bar, measure move up, easy, right? So nothing to talk about anymore. But let's talk about the trade that I took instead, right? So you can see that price reached the 2 times the measure move. And then I took a buy here, and then I'll put my stop all the way down here, and then tiny 1-to-1 residual ratio, right? The whole idea is simple. If price is in a such strong bold trend, probably we'll have at least a second up. Probably we will still have chance to continue pushing up, but I exit my trade somewhere around here after I saw price is in a tight trading range, and I do not like it. And yeah, man, I just missed the trade, and I took a pullback trade here, put my stop all the way down. Here is a major high and low, and then I exit somewhere around at break even because I do not like the price action, and possibly we're rejecting this top of the trading range as well here as well. So I rather exit my trade and then wait for better opportunities, something like this, right? So this is my trade reflection for today, 11th of May 2026, and I'm going to improve, 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 and enforce. And I took a trade on daily time frame on Nvidia, but this is on my stock account. Basically, I took the trade is pretty simple idea as well. I wanted to have a trend and hold on Nvidia after price break above the recent high, and then it's in an all-time high range. That's the whole trade idea. I will manage my risk if price break below here, or if price fail to hold above here and close something like a bear bar, something like this, I will exit 50% of my trade, and then we'll see how it goes, right? So that's my whole trade idea, and I'm gonna call it a day.